Good morning, class. We shall be learning about multimedia in chapter 6. Now first, let us understand what does multimedia means. From the name only we can make out the meaning of multimedia. Multi means many and media means forms of communication, various mediums of communication. Communication where interaction and where talking can take place, like text, picture, sound, movie, computers, television, internet, YouTube. These are all mediums of communication. Multimedia is a technology where various input and output devices are used to feed different inputs like text, picture, sound, movies. Now, various input and output devices, it's a kit present in our computer only. All the devices are in our computer and through which we get the different inputs like text, effects in text, effects on pictures, different sounds and movies. So multimedia is a latest technology which is going on for all the changes and for all the visual and sound effects that we see, not only on television but in movies. Also on the net also we see a lot of animation that is all done through multimedia. Advantages of multimedia. There are lots of advantages. Multimedia is a boon. Boon means benefits. Now let us learn. We can input pictures, voice, sound, and we can make changes as we desire by adding audio and visual effects. Suppose we insert a sound or a picture, we can add echo effects, we can make animation, we can make changes, we can make lots of changes by adding video and audio effects. Then we can play music and movie, music on CD and movie on VCD player. We can print color pictures by using color printer. Components of multimedia. Components means parts, constituents. The very first component is textual information. All multimedia productions, they contain some amount of text. In a way we can say that they are written documents. Like example I have given, you must have seen flashy messages, New Year, Happy Birthday with different styles and effects. Then comes images. It's very important as everything that we are discussing in multimedia is audio visual. So audio is provided by voice. So visual is provided by images. So images, they make concept clear, effective and presentable. You must have seen cartoons and animations being added to any text. Those are images. The third component is bitmap images. These are the images which are made up of pixels and dots. Now you must be wondering, what are pixels? Pixels are small squares to represent images. When we switch off the TV, you must have observed lots of small squares. The whole screen is divided into small squares. Now those squares are taken into consideration to make an image. They are known as pixels. They all are counted. When in the field of animation, pixels are very helpful. Vector image. These images are the images which are made up of curves and lines by mathematical objects. Like when they want to make a face of an animal, they use curves and lines to draw that face. Suppose a face of a tiger. So they'll be using it by curves and lines. The fifth component is digital audio. Audio, you can understand, it means or it deals with sound. So through digital audio, it is a medium to listen sounds in a multimedia program. Of course, there is a process to convert sound, audio into digital. Then the sixth component is digital video. It is a medium to play back and record video. See, we have options for audio, sounds also, as well as video for pictures, for movies, animations. So it is a medium which helps us to play back and record video in a multimedia program. Then only the meaning of multimedia will be fulfilled. Now we will be learning about various techniques which are helpful in multimedia. The very first technique is morphing. It is a technique in which one image is merged with another image. It is used in movies, animation, games, education purposes, where we are showing lots of formulas like in maths, where we are merging the formulas and we are getting the answers. Then computer-based presentations, where one image is merged into another to form the third image. In movies, it is highly used in movies. In animation, in cartoons. So this technique is very beneficial in the field of movies, animations. All the latest Hollywood projects, Bollywood projects, they use this technique which is morphing. Like in the latest movie of Hollywood, Lion King, there were lots of effects. They were all added with the help of multimedia, of course, and then various tools like morphing, animation, sounds, using various sound software like Gold Wave, for which we shall be learning further. The second tool is animation. Animation plays vital role in multimedia. Vital means important. An animation is a continued series of still images. The animation that we see in a cartoon film or a movie keeps on moving. It is actually still. It's because of extra effects, special effects, various softwares that are used, we feel that those cartoon characters, they are moving. See, this is the benefit of multimedia. A cartoon film that we watch on our television, like Tom and Jerry, Simpsons, Looney Tunes, and many more. Up till now, we learnt about tools like morphing, animation, which helps us in the field of multimedia. Just like morphing and animation, there is one more tool which is known as Goldwave. It is a software. It is used for sound recording and editing. Editing means making changes. It makes us feel as we ourselves are present in a sound studio. We need devices like microphone, CD. So these are the three tools of multimedia: morphing, animation, Goldwave, scanner, it scans the images, which makes things interesting, easy to comprehend for us. Now I would give a summary of the whole chapter. Multimedia is a gift of technology which is being used far and wide. It is very useful in present times and it is being used everywhere, on television, computers, internet, YouTube, movies, and there are lots of examples. Movies like Lion King and the latest Hollywood movie based on Mowgli. It had all the special effects. Then on a news channel also we see the example of multimedia. In a computer also we see the example of multimedia. And with this I would like to conclude. Thank you.